Maninder, founder of The Maninder Show, a digital marketing and PR firm. With over 15 plus years of experience, we have helped home repair business owners to enhance their digital presence. So in the world of home repairs, trust and reliability, I believe these are as essential as a sturdy foundation. So with the power of digital marketing, your home repair business can reach homeowners in need and become the go-to solution for fixing things up. So in this video, let's explore how digital marketing can be the toolbox that enhances your online presence and brings more customers to your doorstep. Now we will talk about the foundation of home repairs. What are the essential services? Home repairs cover a wide range of essential services from fixing leaky faucets and electrical issues to renovating spaces and ensuring homes are safe and sound. A reliable home repair business is like a superhero for homeowners ready to swoop in and save the day when something goes awry. So what is the local impact? Home repair services have a direct impact on the communities they serve. Whether it's patching up roofs after a storm or installing new fixtures to enhance comfort, your business contributes to the well-being of homeowners. Customer satisfaction. A job well done in the home repair business is not just about fixing problems, it's about leaving homeowners satisfied and confident in their living spaces. So positive experiences lead to word of mouth, recommendations and repeat businesses. Now we will talk about the digital marketing strategies for home repair business. So how digital marketing can become your trusty sidekick in growing your home repair business. Number 1, it is optimized website. You can build a user-friendly website that highlights your range of services, showcases completed projects and provides clear contact information. You should always make sure your website is mobile friendly as many homeowners search for services on their smartphones. Local SEO for visibility. You can implement local SEO strategies to ensure your business appears in local searches when homeowners look for home repair services in their area. Claim your Google My Business listing and encourage satisfied customers to leave positive reviews. Before and after showcases. You can use your website and social media platforms to showcase impressive before and after photos of your home repair projects. Apart from that, you can give a visual proof of your skills that builds confidence and trust among potential customers. You can create blog posts or videos that offer helpful tips for common home repairs or maintenance tasks. Establish your expertise and position your business as a valuable resource for homeowners. You can engage with your community on social media platforms as well, such as Facebook, Twitter, as well as Instagram. You can share updates about ongoing projects, behind the scenes, glimpses and tips for home maintenance. So here are the key takeaways. As you know, in the world of home repairs, digital marketing serves as a foundation for expanding your reach and building trust with homeowners. By optimizing your website, you can embrace local SEO, you can showcase your skills through visuals, you can create educational content and engage within your community on social media. Your home repair business can become a household name. So let your online presence reflect the reliability and expertise that defines your business and watch as more homeowners turn to you for their home repair needs. It's time to fix homes and build trust with the help of digital marketing. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can contact us at www.themanindershow.com or you can drop us an email at info@themanindershow.com.